We're walking and I'm pulling this guys. Hey, go sit down. I'm pulling them in the wagon.
Hello, my mom's fans.
Just gonna see what Alouette Campground has. So nice. We're starting the campfire the old way, traditional way, right? Because we forgot to buy some.
Oh, they sold out.
Oh, they sold out. So now, after we get the fire going, we have to apply everything that we learned from Naked and Afraid and gather wood. Our firewood for day one, right there. We're still trying to figure out how we're gonna cut those to pieces. I am cooking sinigang for dinner. See? Sinigang. Looking really good. Sinigang na pork belly. It's gonna be so good. Cooking on wood.
1 hour later.
Alright, it's finally cooked. Look at that. And look at how soft that is. Fell off. And I know you see a lot of fat, but I sifted all the fat. So it's gonna be all flavor. So you can see it's like just nice, good broth right there. It's good sinigang, man. Perfect for the cold night today. It's almost 7, but it's still bright. Because summertime, it doesn't really get dark until like 10 o'clock. So it's almost, I think, 9 o'clock. I'm going to show all of you our bed, like tent setup here. This is a Coleman pop-up instant tent. So, as you can see, we've got 2 air mattresses here. This is gonna be Mick's and CJ's. Oh, Mick and Jordan's spot. This is gonna be mine and Lester's and CJ's. All their stuff are there. And then up here, Michaela insisted that she bring her LED light. So we have a lamp. This is where you put the lamp at night. And as you can see, it's very still has so much room. And what I like about it is that it's really high, so you can stand up inside. I love how they have these little pockets. They have like pockets over there, little pockets over there too. So yeah, have a pretty cozy setup.
The next day.
Good morning. We're up. This is our second day here at Alouette Campground, and look at what we found.
Yeah.
Something ate our snacks. See, they tore off the thing. Ate our biscuits. Grabbed our biscuits. Ate the knickknacks. And finished the Doritos right there. Okay, So apparently bears are like wild in this place. Like, you know, they frequently visit the area. And so at night you're supposed to not leave food outside and put it, so we put like, so the bears won't like come in, right? So we did put most of our food in a van, but we didn't think it will grab, yeah, we didn't think it'll grab the snacks, but I guess they know what they're looking for. All right, so after our second day, have to prepare breakfast before the kids wake up. Okay, so now we are on our way to the beach. This guy's acting up. It's this way somewhere. We're gonna spend the day just hanging out by the beach. No, because it was super hot yesterday. So we're gonna dip in the Alouette Lake. It's just like a few minutes walk from our campsite. This is my workout for today. Yeah. All right. See you when we get there and show you our setup.
A few moments later.
So, look at this view. It was a little hike. It's gonna be really tough going back, but look at that. It's so nice, hey? Okay.
Jordan, walk now.
It's okay. Go, go. Put this there. Go, go, go. Go, go, move. Just move, babe. Just tired. Okay, Jordan. Is it nice out here? Just let him sleep. It's okay. He's tired. Okay, let's go. Wow. This video wouldn't even justify what we're looking at right now. So nice. He's just tired, this little guy. Oh, wow. So majestic. Tonight we're getting ready for bed. This is our campfire. We're ready to put all our stuff in the van, all the food, all the snacks. We figured it's not a bear, it's just a squirrel. But yeah, be sure there's no more food out. So this is our second night. We have one more night left. Oh, and Jordan made a stick. Show your stick, buddy. It's a nice camping stick. All right, so good night. We're gonna go inside the tent in a while, maybe watch a show, and then
Hey, what's up? This is Brandy. Social distancing in San Diego.
have our another day. We'll go trail hiking tomorrow.
Hey, everybody.
Morning. So it's our third day and third night. Last night we'll be going home tomorrow. I asked the hubby to make fire so early in the morning because I needed to cook vegetable water for breakfast, and it's faster boiling it there compared to the barbecue. Cup noodles, that's our breakfast for today. I boiled some eggs yesterday. I can't really do videos or document nighttime because it's really pitch black. As soon as 10 p.m. hits, it's like super pitch black. But yeah, today was good. Nothing happened. We came out and it's normal. It's cause we removed we put all the food in the bag. So today we'll be trailing, going to the lake, and let the kids play at the playground. And this guy has been so busy with his mission to
Why don't you catch
dig a
it?
hole. There you go. His dad made the stick, by the way. Show your stick, buddy.
I already did. Right?
Yeah. So he hardened the tip so he can keep digging his hole. And of course the little one wants his own stick. No. So he doesn't take his kuya stick. Alright. Okay, so today we decided to not trail anymore, but to just go straight to the lake. And look at that. See? It's nice, and we're gonna go on that bridge, and it's just right across that bridge. And that's a stream right there. It's so nice. This is our last full day, and I feel like 3 nights is not even enough to enjoy the actual beauty of this place. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay. We're gonna set up and just enjoy the whole day here at the lake. Gorgeous view. Holy. Wow. Beautiful.
Later.
Alright, so it's our last night today. Right, Jordan? Say hi. We need to wake up early tomorrow at 8. So
Hey, look
we
at
can
my
check out.
candy.
That's so delicious. That looks so delicious. So we're leaving. We gotta wake up at 8 because we're leaving before 11. It's 11 is the checkout, so we have to be out of here by then. And as you can see, we partially
Can I open this?
packed up now. And then we're just gonna go get a good night's sleep, brush our teeth, get a good night's sleep, and wake up early. Alright, that sums up our camping here in Alouette Campground. Everybody had fun. And yeah, it was good here because you're like disconnected to the world for a bit. So we were here for 3 nights, and
No cell service.
no cell service, no nothing. So you have to be like, resourceful and creative and in spending your time here. And it's fun to get the kids out of their tablets and just really enjoy the outdoors. See you guys again on our next adventure for the summer. I think we're doing one more camping. We're gonna try and book it. We're gonna do another camping trip and maybe like some beach trips.